Click on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. Hello friends, welcome you once again in our channel Tech Tutorial. Today again I have come with another new refreshing video. Today I will show you an awesome app by which you can run YouTube with any other app in the background at the same time. So let's get started. So guys, by this app you can run YouTube with any other app simultaneously or at the same time. So let's check out the app. So guys, hope you have seen that how this app works perfectly in the background with any other app. So let's go to the Play Store and search here for floating tube player. Okay, here you can see this, and here you can see this app. It has 500,000 downloads and I have already installed it. So let's open it. And this is the app. You can see this guys, here is a button. So by default it will be off. You have to turn this on. Now if I turn this off, and if I click on any video, let's search here for again the NCS music, and if I click on this, now here you can see the pop-up window will never come. So if you want to get that pop-up window, you have to turn this on. Okay, this button here over here. Now here you can see, if you click on this it will minimize, and if you click on the screen it will maximize to this shape, and here if you click on this it will also minimize. And you can also set the video resolution as you want. Here is 240p, 360 and up to 180p means HD. You guys find this app very useful and I hope you will install it and use it. Please share this video to all of your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and hope we will see you in our next video. So thank you.